In the world of powersports, few machines have reached legendary status quite like the Yamaha Banshee. Built to thrill and engineered with simplicity and raw performance in mind, this ATV became a cult classic almost as soon as it hit the dirt in 1987. Today, we're diving into a truly special find, an immaculate 1989 Yamaha Banshee that's up for sale and already turning heads in the collector community. Listed on Bring a Trailer and currently residing in sunny Pompano Beach, Florida, this particular Banshee isn't just any secondhand off-roader. It's a garage queen. That means pristine condition, low hours, and a ride that's likely seen more TLC than trail time. And with a current bid of $6,100 and 4 days remaining, it could be your ticket to owning a piece of two-stroke history. Let's rewind the clock. Back in the late 80s and early 90s, the Banshee dominated the dunes, tracks, and open trails with its unmistakable 347 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke parallel twin engine. Paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox, the Banshee was loud, fast, and full of adrenaline. No ATV before or since has replicated its unique blend of power, tuning potential, and unmistakable sound. And while production continued globally until 2012, U.S. sales were halted in 2006 due to tightening emission standards. That's only made clean examples even more valuable and more desirable, especially early model years like this 1989 edition. So, what makes this unit so special? For starters, its condition. From the flawless frame and bodywork to the near-factory stickers and shine, this Banshee has clearly been babied. It's not just clean, it's collector-grade clean. Many ATVs this old have been beat up, rebuilt, or heavily modified. Not this one. While some subtle updates might exist, this machine looks true to its roots, with just enough customization to keep things fresh. The color scheme is also a point of interest. The blue frame and accents are rarely seen on Banshees from this era. This coloration is reminiscent of the 1988 models, but the black seat is a departure from the original blue, indicating possible re-upholstering or parts replacement. Either way, it looks factory fresh and visually striking. Let's not forget the hardware. The Banshee rolls on Maxxis tires mounted to 9-inch and 10-inch wheels, with 21 x 7.00 rubber in the front and 22 by 10.00 inch out back. A thumb throttle keeps acceleration responsive, while adjustable coilovers make sure the ride delivers that classic Banshee bounce. Braking is handled via single disc brakes on each front wheel and one rear disc, standard fare, but effective. The listing includes a cold start video, and judging by the crisp exhaust note, this two-stroke beast still roars like it did back in 1989. The 2-into-1 exhaust system sounds just right, reminding us why enthusiasts still chase the dream of Banshee ownership after all these years. Now, there's no odometer, so actual mileage remains a mystery. But with this level of cleanliness, it's safe to say it hasn't been through the ringer. The current bid of $6,100 is still well below what pristine examples sometimes fetch, some going for $10,000 or more, making this a rare opportunity for collectors or performance junkies alike. Whether you're nostalgic for the glory days of two-stroke madness or just want a machine that stands out on the dunes or in your garage, this Banshee might be exactly what you're looking for. If you're serious, better move fast. This deal won't last long, and once it's gone, it's gone.